Happy Monday, Freddie. Sir here, fired up. Just got out of the gym, pumped up, excited for the best week of my life. Are you ready? You know, I was just checking my emails. Somebody just signed up for my automated marketing system, digital marketing system. And guys, this digital marketing blueprint is just insane. You know, I don't care what the hell you're selling. You know, this will help you drive targeted traffic or leads to you so you can create some sales. So I don't know what it is you do or don't do, whether you have a product or don't have a product. If you want this to be the best summer of your life, the best year of your life, with the 6-7 months left, send me a message. Type in blueprint and I'll send you the details so you can get the information that could most likely change your life like it's changed mine and so many other people. Just unbelievable what you're able to do and automate from your phone, whether you have experience or don't. Insane. You'll see. Take care. Fired up. Boom.